Ever feel like you're micromanaging your lab? Ever feel like you don't know what's going on in your lab? That's fair because you don't have a full picture of what's happening inside the lab. So you check in, you chase people for updates, you piece the day together yourself. Hi, I'm Michael. I'm the product manager at EviSmart. If you're running 50 or 100 plus cases a day, every stage of production is spread across different places. Scans download into different local folders. Cases arrive through 10 different portals. Count, design, and billing all happen in separate systems, because those systems aren't connected. So instead of seeing the problem immediately, your team spends time hunting through differences and trying to find it. Command Center is a connector that brings all of it together in one place to see every case, the whole pipeline, and all your lab operations. A real-time view of your entire operation, from case intake, like cases downloaded, cases you have received today, cases entered into your LMS, to the fabrication stage, such as EviSmart CAD, to post-production, such as billing. When something goes wrong, you can spot it and act on it before it escalates, so you have the visibility and the control on top of everything. Here we are on the Autopilot page. Think of it as your personal assistant, one that monitors your health in real time and reports everything to you, all on one screen. Up top you see pulse of the day. How many cases came in, how many went out, and what you have built out today, and the doctors who need attention before they churn. Underneath, that is in every case in the building, laid out by stage, new, downloaded, printed, in QC, in LMS, shipped, delivered, and paid. So when you want to know, are we doing good today? You don't walk the floor and ask 5 people. You look here, anything that needs your attention will show up immediately. You can also check it from your phone on a Sunday and treat it as a single source of truth for your lab. To understand how it all connects, let's start at the beginning of the workflow, the downloader. Here is what we hear from owners. I love EviSmart Downloader, but I would love to have visibility on what cases come in today, so I can plan the day ahead. This is the answer. On the Downloaded tab, we see what we call the daily pulse. Every downloaded case that came in shows up here, and anything that didn't download cleanly gets flagged. So it surfaces here instead of disappearing. You can see which IS portal each case came from. You also get the hourly case download volume, and you can export it to a spreadsheet every hour. So you can track your case volume, plan your stuff around it through the day, and avoid unnecessary overtime. Here is what makes the difference. The old way, you would only find out a case went missing when the dentist called asking where the crown was. Now you see it the same morning, at a glance, so you're always ahead of the day. Moving on to the Design tab. Here we are on the Design tab. The problem we are solving is exactly the concern we kept hearing from the lab owners. A redesign comes back and they don't even see it until the next morning. So they have just lost a full day on a single case. So here is how it looks like. Inside the Command Center, you can see the design cases in 3D. The original scan and the design file side by side right here. You can view it, download it, or send it back for a redesign. Without bouncing between 3 different portals to do it. Every redesign that used to wait until the next morning can now be handled as soon as it arrives, from the same screen your team is already working on. Instead of losing a day, production keeps moving across hundreds of cases per day. That's how you create capacity without hiring more people. Now let me hand over to Anush to go a level deeper.
Ring ring, ring ring, ring ring, ring ring, ring ring.
Poor communication is the #1 reason labs lose dentists. Hi, I'm Anuj. I'm the product manager at EviSmart. Now let me walk you through another module, the EviSmart Comm. A lab manager told us they've got multiple different channels where the doctors reach out, and everybody has to keep up with all these 10 different channels. What I'd like is one window to do it all. If your team is bouncing between the LMS, emails, text messages, and WhatsApp just to answer one doctor, you know exactly what that means. With Calm, you get case-connected communication where every message from your dentists lives inside the case in the command center. Let me show you. I'd open a case thread. The whole conversation with Dr. Green is right here, attached to the patient's case. So when a dentist sends you a new instruction or a file, it lands in the same case-connected inbox rather than personal phones or emails. With real-time notifications, a new message from a dentist is instantly highlighted to your team, so the instructions make it to the case and nothing falls through the cracks.
Ring ring, ring ring, ring ring, ring ring, ring ring.
Hey Dr. Smith, how can I help you?
Hey Anuj, how can I check the case status on my end?
That's a good question. On the dentist's end, they can also keep track of their cases. Every case they have sent, every status change in your LMS, the ship date, your dentists get notified automatically. Your team stops chasing updates and answering where is my case calls, so they can focus on delivering the quality and experience that keeps dentists loyal. Command Center gives you a real-time dashboard across all your EviSmart Autopilot modules and cases, surfacing errors immediately and keep on top of your lab operations and cases. One platform, full visibility and control. Scan the QR code on the screen or click the link in the description to book a time and see how it works in your own lab. Let us know what you think and please subscribe, follow along for more feature updates.